tide. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
Hey, fellow traders. Fellow traders, how's it going?
Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything.
I hope everybody had a great rest. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm just setting things up right now as I speak. I'll be right back with you guys. Thank you guys for your patience. And of course, thank you guys for being here as well.
When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me
Hey, fellow traders, how's it going, guys? I am back here again on a beautiful Sunday night. I hope everybody had a great weekend. The weekend isn't over yet, just yet. Good afternoon, EL7 trader, Kemal Lafleur, daily day trades, Alex F90 in the house, Dustin Laurie, thanks for being a member once again. Good afternoon, brother. I hope you're having a great afternoon. EL7, keep moving forward. Alex, Donna, a gaming trader, how's it going? 44 Punisher in the house. Edward LA, ¿cómo estás, brother? Mehdi NQ, salam. Romeo, Sonic Cruz, Togula, RRR trader, Cheryl, thanks for being a member. Cheryl 2026, I think you are a new member. Thanks for being here, and thanks for obviously being a member as well. Thank you so much for your support to the stream. Thank you so much. Fasil, Soup, DYC Dennis in the house. All right, guys. I mean, by the way, to our fellow traders in Asia, happy lunar. I mean, Lunar New Year, that is. I hope you guys are having a great time. I'm assuming you guys have holidays, right? So, I mean, the thing is, though, we are kind of expecting the Shanghai, which opens in about 2 hours, right? So, it's going to be, obviously, they're on a holiday, right? So, I'm kind of assuming that we're going to have a very thin today. We already have no volume during Globex, and I think it's only going to get worse. Now, it really depends. Let's see how. We don't really have a lot of news on the weekend. I mean, we had some. What was his name again? The Secretary of Defense. The Secretary is Rubio. Obviously, had a speech in Munich, in Germany. But other than that. The Middle East tension obviously still ongoing, but there's nothing really new news coming out. And then where else? In Asia, we don't really have anything surprising. In yeah, I mean, it's been quite a nice little quiet weekend, if you will. So let's see how this thing kind of opens. We got 5 more minutes for Globex, guys. Let's see what sort of an open we get. Are we gonna get to the downside? I did a little poll here. Let's find out what you guys think it is. So we have 78 votes in the favor of the market gapping to the upside and a slow grind higher today. That's the highest we have. 39% are saying we are gonna get to the upside and a slow grind to the higher today. And we got a little less than 50% saying either we gap down or we kind of chop within the rest of the night. Very few are saying we are going to dump tonight, so that comes in a bit of a little bit of a surprise for me. We did not really close. Obviously, the closing on Friday afternoon did not. I did not see anything that's truly that bullish, to be honest, man. We got a rejection on that bounce on Friday, so I'm kind of thinking, you know, either we kind of chop or we chop. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna kind of expect to see a little chop here today. I don't know if we are going to be selling off today, to be honest. I mean, it's obviously a slow day, and tomorrow is half day, right? So we got a big fat rejection off that little underneath the 25,000. We just could not get above that on Friday. So I'm gonna be looking to see if we can actually hold. Let's try to see how we get, but I think the more we kind of pull back here, maybe we try to retest the low of Friday. That's gonna get quite interesting. If we try to retest the low here on Friday, or we try to get above the VWAP, we'll find out. I would yeah, I don't want to try to guess where it's gonna go. I'm gonna obviously have two levels on watch. The one is right above the VWAP, or we gap down and we kind of retest the low. One of the two. I'm kind of expecting a chop day. We'll see how this thing go. Go read what is going on, man. Silis, Nestor. Wow, we got a lot of new names here, by the way. So you guys are most welcome, everybody. Thank you guys. Yeah, I also want to find out if we can actually see a 10,000 sub today. We'll find out, guys. Thanks to all your support. Well, we're getting pretty close to that now. All right, so here we guys got 2 more minutes. We'll try to see where this market opens. I will be trading off with my Tradify eval 150k account. We'll see how this. We'll see if I can try to get a couple $1,000s, or I may be down a couple $1,000s. Nobody knows. I was down. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was down about $1,600 on Friday afternoon, and then I kind of got it back to break even, but then I think I was down a couple $100s. But anyways, guys, we'll try to trade one of my accounts. That's 150k. We'll try to see if we can actually make some profits here today, make some good trades, and see how it goes. All right, guys, we got literally a little less than a minute. How was everybody's week? Kent, experiment treat. Joshi, yes. Astro. My weekend was good. Guys. I was pretty busy with yeah, I was pretty busy taking care a lot of stuff here in the house. I don't know if you guys know anything about this. The Tim's Horton. So far I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish.
The market is open.
Oh guys, man, look at this. Holy mochaccino.
Order filled.
Something's broken here.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. The Tradivate. The Tradivate was slightly broken, guys. I am trying to short on a pop here. Okay, I'm trying to short the pop. Again, I'm trading on my MNQ. I'm trading on MNQ, guys. I'm trading on MNQ. Just to be very clear out there. All right, I started off. I wanted to kind of test the water. So I'm here with MNQ on my Tradify account. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit more aggressive for sure. Was I supposed to do something? I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot. I was supposed to do something. Oh, there we go. Yes. I take profit trader. Okay, so The market pulling back here, guys. Got a little rejection off that 830. Let's try to add some more.
Order filled.
My target on this, and by the way, I'm at a 1 minute chart, but holy mochaccino.
Order filled.
Alright guys, we'll get rid of this. We'll try to place my stop at the break even here. Alright, maybe place my stop at the break even. Just kind of moving to the tick chart here. Kind of feel a lot more comfortable. Holy mocha. Incredible cappuccino is pulling back here, guys. Oh, maybe not. Maybe the pullback was kind of short-lived. We'll find out, guys. So far we're kind of holding. So I'm gonna try to play short the pop and long the pullbacks, right? So kind of expecting a trade here today. Everybody, welcome, guys. Welcome. Cool Bob, what is going on, man? Black Mama in the house. Everybody, great to see you guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Well, obviously so far it's kind of in that chop, right? Very chop. So we'll try to play the chop here, right? So
order filled.
Order filled.
All right, so that's what I'm going to try to do. We got a rejection, obviously, so let's see. Let's try to see if we can retest 770s here.
Order submitted.
And then I'm going to try to go long on a pullback here again. All right, fellow traders, welcome back, everybody. Great to see you guys back again. What the market closed? I think it closes at, I think 1 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow morning.
Order filled.
Watch this in the house. Brother, how's it going? Don Ray Funko, what is up? Daily Day, Ali, Ahmed, Hussein. Thank you everybody for being here once again, guys, man. All right. Okay, I'm down to 1 now. One last piece. And let's see if we get a little pullback here, guys. Maybe we get a little pullback down. Holy mochaccino, man. So far, not looking that great, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna try to long.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, I'm gonna try to long
Order
here
submitted.
now. 750. The next level of support is gonna be at 750. A 1, and I'm gonna try to
Order
reload.
submitted.
Obviously, we got a nice little support here at 730s as well. 730, and then back down to the 700, guys. Are we gonna start to get a nasty pullback here? We'll
Order
find that,
filled.
guys. Let's try to
Order
be a little bit aggressive. I'm trading right now. Okay, so it looks like we found a little support there, guys.
Order
Order filled.
3 contracts. I'm long. 3 contracts, guys.
Order
3 contracts.
canceled.
I'm long right now.
Order submitted.
First take profit at 779. The
Order
next take profit at
submitted.
787. My stop will be a retest of the initial low. That will be at 750 area, right? Sorry, 740. That's where my stop is gonna be. All right, so there you go. Actually, sorry, man, guys, man, something glitchy on this trade of it. I'm gonna have to exit this trade, guys. Very glitchy. I don't know what is going on, man. Is everything? Are you guys having a problem with Tradeovate? Something's really glitchy right now. I'm just not feeling comfortable. All right. Anyways, guys, let's try to see what this market does here. And by the way, guys, we. Or am I the only one having a problem with the with Tradeovate? Or maybe not. Everybody else having the same problem. Guys, we're gonna do today's a very important day. So let's try to do hold on one second, guys. Hold on. A beautiful Sunday. let's try to do a giveaway here, guys. We'll do a Take Profit Trader a giveaway here today. This is gonna be on a 50K account, guys. And we'll call out the winner at about at about 400 likes. I will call out the instruction on our Discord, by the way. So okay. And just bear with me, everybody. So everybody typing exclamation tiger, just make sure to smash the like as well if you guys want to support the stream. Okay, let's make this a very exciting here night. So we are kind of trying to find a little footing here on the NQ. Maybe 750 is a short-term bottom. We'll find out, guys. What was the little instruction that I'm gonna be sending out? One second, guys. Hold on one second, everybody. All right, so far the market's kind of choppy. And my Discord link is right here as well, guys. FYI. And where is my Discord? All right. All right, so far. All right, guys. Hold on. I forgot to turn it on. All right, the entries are on now. Trader Grace, what is up? Yeah, we'll call out the winner at about 400 likes. So as soon as you type in exclamation tiger, just make sure to smash the like as well if you can. I sent the instruction on the Discord on the main chat, so you guys can have a look at it as well. And then, guys, let's take a look at this market. We're kind of right in the middle, right? So you're right in the middle. I wonder where this is gonna go. I do not want to get chopped in this range, so either we try to get a pullback here and maybe try to retest the low, and so I can kind of hop on a long again, or we get a bounce and maybe the bounce kind of get short-lived. That's a big fat rejection of the 834. That's a little bit of rejection. I wonder if this is gonna get a bounce right off this level now. I wanna wait and see now. I wanna wait and see, guys. Thank you guys for being here once again. Let's try to have some fun. We are definitely getting pretty close to over a 10,000 sub, and in celebration of that, kind of celebrating a little early, but I do kind of feel like we could get to 10,000 sub, guys. With obviously your support, I think we'll probably end up getting there tonight itself. We'll find out, guys. But thank you everybody for your support. Let's get it done. A beautiful Sunday night. Let's try to see if you can actually bank as well at the same time. Yeah, I took a payout on Friday, listed and Tradify, and then I got denied by on one of my Apex accounts. So far I'm kind of sitting at a little over $8,000, little over $8,000. So not looking good. We're halfway. The month is over in about 15 days. We only have about less than 2 weeks to trade. So not looking that great, but we'll give it a shot, guys. We'll give it a shot. 8,000. Yeah, I don't know. Fingers crossed, guys. We'll see. All right, guys. Nice little pump over the VWAP. So I may try to long here, guys. We are pretty overbought though. 73 here. We got a little bit of an indecisive doji candle on a 1 hour chart. We definitely had the liquidity grab in the 750s. So I'm gonna look to see if we get a little pullback here, so I can actually hop on a long again and try to retest the higher 834. I will be live tomorrow morning, by the way. Yes, I will be live tomorrow morning. I'll be live early. We'll be at 9:30, just right before the cash open tomorrow morning. I will be live, just so you guys know. We'll try to see if we can actually try to pass a few evals and see if I can actually get to some payouts on the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I have been actually very conservative in my trades with a lot of my accounts. And I kind of feel like the more I try to be conservative in my trades, maybe I'm making a lot more mistakes because I'm getting nervous about a pullback and being down on my trades. You know what I mean? So right now, guys, we are right in the middle again. So I'm going to be using obviously this level here. That's the initial high, right? And then also the low of the day. So we have the low of the day. At 750 and 834 is the high of the day, right? So we'll use this 2 range and we'll see how this thing plays out, man. That would have been a nice little trade to the upside. Okay, 808. And then I just want to quickly take a look and see how many members we have now over 2 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we still have quite a few. So kind of wait. Okay. And by the way, thanks to all the members, guys. I really appreciate it, everybody. We got quite a few new members, right? And I thank you guys for doing that. Really appreciate, guys. I will call out your names as well. And like I said again, my apologies. I wasn't able to do much giveaways for members. I'm kind of waiting for you guys to be over a month. Yeah. I intend to do a lot of giveaways for members, specific, so I'm just kind of waiting. And yeah, thank you guys for being a member. Thank you so much for your support to the stream as well. And of course, thank you everybody for being here today. Oh, we are getting a nice little bounce, guys. I mean, that's a pretty strong bounce that we got, guys, from 730 all the way to 840. Kind of expected a thin volume today, but we are getting that sort of a, well, it's a thin volume, but I mean, we are getting some nice sort of move here, right? That's a pretty wide range, by the way. We had up, down, but I mean, that range was about 40, 70, about 80 points range. Pretty incredible, guys. I mean, this is amazing. And Take Profit Trader, I'm waiting for 2 accounts for credits. So I've got 4 right now, but I mean, waiting for credit. So I don't know what's going to happen. I haven't. Does anybody? Is anybody waiting for credits from Take Profit Trader? For any of your accounts that you passed and. Yeah, I'm still waiting for. All right, guys, man. 818 here. 818, guys. I wonder what this is gonna be. I'm gonna try to. Oh man, this isn't looking that bad, to be honest. But guys, I mean, it looks not as bad. So I guess you guys were right. I'm gonna close the poll here. We got 240 votes in a favor of the market getting up and slow grind higher today. 44%. I guess you guys are right. So, thank you, Scalpster. What is up, brother? You get a credit until Monday morning, maybe on Tuesday morning. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, that's fine. I've got 4 funded accounts that I intend to trade one of them tomorrow. So if I end up losing that account, I'll be fine. But I mean, it's been a while since I actually got to daily payout, right? So I think it's that. I think tomorrow is probably the kind of a day to do it, right? Oh, this feels good. Lots of sugar right now. Lots of sugar, guys. The Tims in the house. Let's go. I intend to trade Take Profit Trader Pro account. I'm okay to lose one of them tomorrow. Yeah, go a little aggressive and see what happens. You know, try to pass. I will not pass. I mean, try to see if I can get to a daily payout tomorrow. So I mean, I'm gonna have to make a lot of profits, right? I wonder how it's gonna be tomorrow, man. So far, the market. So far, the Globex is kind of giving us a little bit of signal that. It could be a volatile day tomorrow, right? So, right? I mean, we are getting 80 points range, up, down, and we are right in the middle here. So I'm gonna try
Order
to
filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay,
Order
I'm gonna try
submitted.
to short the pop here. Kind of try to use this as a double top. and see. I mean, if we pierce through this, I will exit this trade right at the 850. I'm gonna give myself a lot of room here, right? A lot of room.
Order submitted.
It looks
Order.
bullish,
Order
I'll be
filled.
honest, but I like to look this. I like to see if we get a pullback into the VWAP here. I'll try to short the pop here
Order submitted.
and see how things plays out. NQ, yeah, I'm trading on NQ. Sorry, MNQ. I'm trading MNQ. Yes, I will be live tomorrow morning. I will be. Thank you for
Order
asking.
Order filled.
And so we are trying to move higher, you guys. We are trying to move higher. Yeah, I'll try to go a little more aggressive on a bounce into the 830s. If we end up getting a bounce, that is, and then place a hard stop at 850. So I'm kind of giving myself 20 to 30 points range. And then my target here would be right at the VWAP area, and I'm gonna try to go long on a deeper pullback underneath the VWAP and look for something like this to kind of play out. If we end up going here, I'm looking for this to kind of get denied and then give us a pullback, or we may pull back here, try to get back into the VWAP, bring it down, and then retest and higher, right? Either one of these. This is what I'm going to be looking for. And then if we end up getting a bounce and have a continuation push to the upside and a slow little grind to the upside, then I'll be obviously exiting my trade in the 850 zone. So it's either this. I mean, I think the bulls, both bulls and the bears have a chance of kind of getting into some nice little trades here, to be honest. Just like how we kind of got it here as well, right? On this, right at the start. Right at the start, we had a nice little push, right? Up and down, so... Nice little push, everyone. Push. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Oh yeah, and I've got to trade the top step, which I'll be doing it tomorrow as well. So yeah, I think probably gotta wait till Monday morning, maybe Monday morning, maybe. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I haven't got any credits, right? So I'm kind of assuming like what Anxious Scout
Order
just said,
Order filled.
probably Monday to Tuesday. I think probably. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for that little bit of a double top here, guys. Double top, right? Double top is what I'm kind of looking for here at this. If we pop over, I'm going to be looking to exit this trade. Well, it looks actually pretty bullish, by the way, guys. Anyways, 850. Yeah, I mean, this candle actually looks pretty bullish. But anyways, 852. Yeah, 852. I may try to long on a pullback here back into the VWAP, by the way. So we'll see, guys, if we get a little pullback here down. Oh, this coffee, too much sugar. It's making me high. All right, let's see if you get a bounce or we end up getting a pullback here, guys. What's your strategy? Couple things. You got horizontal support and resistance at key levels. Obviously, pretty the same thing as demand and supply, right? The retest. I like to play the patterns too. And of course, I trade the trend lines too. I trade the RSI too, the volume, right? Exactly, mochaccino levels. All right, guys, kind of slow down here a little bit. Let's see, we may get a nice little push here too. Let's see if this is a rejection. Is this going to be a double top? You will find out. अरे यार, all right, let's find out, guys. Is this going to be an area where the bears are gonna grab bears are gonna grab the liquidity and try to push it down back again into the VWAP? But so far, I'm kind of leaning more. I mean, I would like to see a little pullback here down into the VWAP. Try to retest the VWAP, right, and then see, try to get a bounce, right, high or low, kind of a trade, kind of setting up here, in my opinion, right, something like that. Right, I'm kind of looking at this right now. So either we get a bounce now, and then that gives us that chance of a pullback here down, or we pull back now and give us a chance to get bounced. So eventually, I think we try to find a footing here, or right at the support area, or we just go now. I'm not sure, and then maybe try to get a bounce, unless we try to break the structure, which would be right at the 750s. We'll see, guys. We'll find out right now. We got here. This level is definitely hard to crack on Friday as well, so we may try to crack that today. We'll find out. It's really hard to draw. Yeah, it's really hard to draw on this on the Trativate. One of the difficult things to do is draw on a Trativate. That's one of the bigger challenge. So I'm going to be looking for something like this to kind of play out, or we pull back down here. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop here, but I would say somewhere in that 845 ish. We'll see, guys. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's hard sometimes to try to be, but I mean, who knows? It's okay. We can still. I mean, I like the execution part of Trade of It, right? So that's good. So guys, I'm gonna try to go a little more aggressively here. 10 contracts, and I'm gonna place a hard stop right at the initial high, guys. Right at the initial high.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh man, let me just take some profits here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Holy
filled.
mochino, guys, we are getting a pullback here, guys.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Order
Down to
filled.
4 now.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Let's get it back up again. Silly Willy. Down to 3 contracts.
Order
Yeah, maybe I
submitted.
could have been a little more aggressive.
Order
Maybe not.
canceled.
I don't know.
Order submitted.
I'll take this. Place my hard stop here. All right, guys. We'll find out now where this is gonna go. Is this going to be a small little pullback? Maybe. We are retesting the view up here, guys. We'll find out if we can actually get a little more break to the downside. Still, that does not change the fact that we are still higher low right now, right? So, but I mean, getting a little pullback here into the 780s, it's kind of reasonable. I don't think that's asking for too much. But I'm going to move my stop to break even now, guys. And look for that little pullback down. 780s, guys, final target there, and then we'll try to go long again on that pullback into the 780s, guys. We talked about this level. Yeah, I placed a hard stop here. It's 8:30. Sorry, 8:30. 8:20 is my hard stop there, Eric. Thank you guys for being here once again. If you are new, please not forget to smash the like, everybody. If you guys want to support the stream, and if you guys want to participate on the giveaway, just type in !Tiger. And at the same time, smash the like if you can. Just some love. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here as well. What a beautiful, great Sunday afternoon, guys. Yeah, StockTiger, not too much payouts this month. Yeah. Struggling, guys. You gotta have some months you're gonna struggle. Today, I kind of feel like February is the month for StockTiger. Really struggling so bad. I mean, I'll try my level best, but I mean, so far, it's yeah, it's not been the greatest month. I'll tell you that much. But it's okay. You know, we're all grinding, right? We'll look to see if we can actually get. We still have 2 more weeks, right? It's not really the end. Yeah, we've got good 2 weeks, right? Good 2 weeks. You got 3rd week and the 4th week. That's a full trading weeks, 2 weeks. So we still have a chance. I just gotta get a little more aggressive. I think that's what it is. You know what I mean? And willing to kind of risk some accounts. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the more you start to get afraid of losing account and get into losing trade, the more you're gonna make mistakes, right? That's usually how it is. Sometimes you're gonna have to believe in yourself and just take a stab, you know, and if you're wrong, then you get stopped out. That's it. And then you kind of move on, you know what I mean? I still like this to the downside, by the way. A little quick down, but again, I may be wrong. All right, I guess.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I got 7 contracts now.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, not bad,
Order.
guys.
Order filled.
Not bad. Not a bad trade so far. It's kind of working out nicely for us.
Order
Order
Well, thank you,
filled.
guys. I mean, we're down to 3 now. we'll kind of look to see if we get a little pullback down. And listen to the 780s, guys. Now I added some more, and I took some profits off the table again. So again, once again, guys, I'm trying to play the chop, right? We're not looking to be a hero, just trying to look for the chop trade, and the chop trade is kind of working out nicely for us, so we'll take it and see how things plays out. Thank you everybody once again for so much love, guys. It's been definitely an incredible journey. StockTiger here, coming to you live on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Yeah, I kind of feel like probably the best deals that we have at the moment would be the Lucid account. Lucid Trading has 40% off right now, so that's probably the best we have in the PROPFIRM space. And you also have Take Profit Trader 40% off. You also have Top Step. I don't know if you guys heard that before, but I mean, Top Step has what again? I think they've got some 30% off. So you're essentially paying, I think what, 85 to 90 bucks on a 50K account. But there's a lot of rumors, and you know, there's too much noise right now. So I'm kind of a little what do you call this? Not concerned. Honestly, I don't really care. But I mean, I'm not. I can't go. I meant to say, I'm very conservative in trading Top Step. By the way, just put it that way right now. I can't even speak English now anymore. Too much coffee. All right, fellow traders, I'm kind of being a little patient. Look for a little pullback here down into the 780s, guys. Justin Wright, what is going on, man? How was your day? And how's your business going? Justin Wright, Tiger, you are very careful in what you say. Yeah. No, I mean, I'm not necessarily careful. I just don't want to be part of this. You know what I mean? I prefer to just kind of do what I like to do. And that's just pure trading. Just trading. That's it. The business has been slow. That's not good. That's not good. But business is a little bit slow, but your trading has been great, so it kind of offsets the problem, right? And you are getting your daily payouts as well on your Take Profit Traders. That's good. Yeah, see, exactly. Business kind of slow. Yeah, business is up and down. I've obviously done my own business as well, but I mean, it can't be rosy all the time. Some days, some months, it's gonna be down. Some months, it's going to be up. But as long as your trading is good, that's good. That's better. Water fasting, what is up, man? Lucirio, Joni FX in the house, man. What is going on? Killer 89, holy cappuccino. All right, guys, pretty slow right now. 806. Nothing truly there at the moment to get too excited here. It's getting tighter and tighter right now. Tighter and tighter. As we are now approaching towards Tokyo. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys. I'll exit this trade, and I'm gonna look to go to another account. All right, it's been a volatile start, and then it's kind of really slowed down. So, yeah, so it's a holiday, right? It's a holiday. It's a short week. we've got the market closing early tomorrow, guys. So just remember that, make a note and make sure you exit all your trades, especially on accounts that will you know, what do you call this, forfeit your accounts, right? If you don't close your open positions by, I don't know, it depends on what firm, but a lot of the firms are going to close at about 1 o'clock Eastern time, or well before that as well. So just kind of make sure you close your positions if you do not want to get forfeited on your existing account, right? All right, so far the market trying to hold. We held the VWAP here, guys. I mean, that's pretty good. We held the VWAP here, which is great. Let's keep an eye on this market. I am watching this market. We got a nice, beautiful bounce off VWAP. So let's see if we get a retest here. Should I try to go long, man? I should have gone long a little bit on a pullback here down to the VWAP. It's kind of a little late. I don't want to get caught on the wrong side right now. We may end up chopping here in this range as well, right? So, all right, I'm gonna get rid of this drawing here, as I don't think I need that anymore. But I'm kind of expecting a little pullback down, right? Maybe I expect to see a little pullback down into this level here, right? This level here. I like to see a pullback here. This is kind of making more sense. Maybe try to retest the 780s and try to get a bounce off that level a little bit later on, or we try to push higher now and then maybe we end up getting a pullback. I'm not sure what comes first, but at some point we're gonna have to do something like that. Retest the low here. I mean, not retest the low at the bottom end of the trend line here, right? So we'll see. The market, honestly, on Friday, it did not really give me that sort of a signal to be a lot more bullish, right? So we may end up getting that today as a little bit of a surprise to a lot of us, right? By the time it's said and done on Monday morning, we're already up maybe 1.5% for all you know. And then the guys are like, oh my God, what the heck? You know what I mean? I wonder what the Bitcoin's doing though. I completely forgot about the Bitcoin, by the way. I completely forgot about the Bitcoin. I want to take a look and see what the Bitcoin is. The Bitcoin is sitting at 2 million. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong chart. Bitcoin at 2 million. Holy mochaccino. Yeah, indecisive Bitcoin right now. Right, it's still sitting right there. You know, I kind of felt like maybe we try to build a little bit of an ascending wedge that kind of brings the market down. Right, this is the drawing that we had I think last week, and we kind of said, okay, well, we may try to wedge this, right? And then we try to retest at 70,000, squeeze a little more to get to 74, and eventually that breaks. And we eventually fade and flush down into the 50s. I don't know if this is what it's gonna do, but I'm just saying this is definitely one of the higher probably to set up kind of. And this could be a little bit of a I don't know, bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out as well, right? Bearish head and shoulders maybe in the play. Right up here, and then we get that nice little break to the downside and flushes down back into 50s. But again, this is a lot of selling pressure kind of stepping in. So right now what's kind of forming is almost kind of feels like this right now. This is what we had earlier on. We kind of got rejection of that and flushed down pretty quickly. Now it's at 20,000 points pullback here on the Bitcoin. So we'll see, guys, on what happens. Maybe a little bit of a decade bounce to kind of try to grab more liquidity into the major level of resistance, and then that ends up flushing it down. We'll see, guys. Nobody knows. All right. So far, we are kind of chopping in a very, very tight range, right? It was a lot better earlier on when you started the day. and then all of a sudden it's really choppy. Let's quickly take a look at the gold and the silver, guys. Let's see what it is. So the silver is down to $76. $76 on a silver, down about 2%, and the gold is down as well. Wow, what a nice little squeeze to the upside. And then obviously we ended up getting a pullback here down to the 5,030s. So of course, I mean, we've got to be able to hold this $5,000 range, right? If we don't end, if we can't hold this 5,000, let's just take a look, guys. That's the bottom end of the trend line as well, right? So 5,000. Yeah, so we really got to hold, or this could be something like this. Try to get a bounce and then flushes down. This is what it could be. So we better get a bounce, and it really has to kind of hold. We'll see. Or maybe it's just a little bit of a pullback right after hitting that ceiling, right? Because the topping end of the trend line as well, on what is it called again? On the gold, right? So it hit the ceiling there. You obviously had a ceiling in here as well, right? So maybe this is the one. You had 4 attempts to try to pierce through that, but couldn't do it. So, you know, so maybe we are getting rejection of that, and maybe that's giving us a little pullback here. And this is definitely going to be a very important area that we have to kind of try to hold. Anyways, guys, let's go back to the NQ. All right, 1 second, guys. I'm just going to go head on to my washroom. I'll be right back in a minute. All right, welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, so I think it's a holiday in Asia, right? In Korea and China, Lunar New Year. So maybe that's probably part of the reason why we may start to see a slowdown in the price action. Does not take trader just separate days and Tradevate? I don't think so. All right, so far we're kind of chopping a tighter range now. So at some point something's got to break. Just don't know in which direction it's gonna go. Once again, guys, thank you guys for being here as well. Not forget to smash the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We also have a giveaway happening here today with the biggest and the largest take profit trader 50k account, exclamation tiger, if you guys want to participate. Yeah, I mean, so far nothing truly there for me to kind of try to trade, but I am going to start to place some orders here, limit orders, just in case we end up getting a pullback here down.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to try to do and see what happens now.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Looks like something's getting filled right now as you speak. Like I said again, I kind of expect to see a little pullback here down. Now the catch is it going to be a dumpster, or are we actually going to end up holding? So we'll find out. 780 is the key level. Oh, we are getting a little pullback here, guys, fellow traders. So what are some news that we are going to get tomorrow morning? Let's find out, everybody. What's the oh yeah, it's financial juice. I keep forgetting these names, guys. I mean, incredible. Okay, so Trump this morning said he supports Netanyahu. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Trump told Netanyahu he would support Israel's strike on Iran ballistic missile program if the negotiations fail. New Zealand seasonally adjusted electronics card. Well, New Zealand, all right. So it's Chinese holiday, and of course a holiday in Korea as well. Today and tomorrow. I think China is holiday until, I would say, maybe the whole week. I think that's what it is. Their holiday for the whole entire week.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And then we got a lot of Feds coming out talking tomorrow morning, early in the morning, guys, pre-market at about 6:30, and then midday before the market closed, because market closed early tomorrow, right? So we got another Fed coming in to talk, and then we're on the 18th. Okay, so I mean tomorrow and the day after tomorrow until Tuesday, we don't really have a lot of news coming out, right? I kind of expect to see yeah, a slow week, I guess, right? And it's only on Wednesday that's when we get US durable goods, and of course some more Fed coming out to talk. But yeah, nothing truly there that exciting until the 18th. So yeah, I kind of expect to see a little bit of a slow week, I guess, right? So far we got a Japanese GDP, by the way. The Japanese GDP came in, is it Japanese GDP contracted. They were expecting 1.6% to the upside. Damn, guys, they're expecting 1.6%. The actual is 0.2. A major contraction on the GDP. That's a big problem, guys, man. We could see a little bit of a dumpage here or pressure. And StockTiger is long with 4 contracts. A little bit of a mochaccino pressure. I need a squid bounce, or maybe a little bit of salami bounce. Whatever you guys prefer it to be. All right, guys. I mean, it's kind of stalled here. We got 3 more minutes, but I'm gonna have to get out of this freaking thing. Oh, maybe. Oh, baby. Oh no, guys. We are getting a little bounce. I don't want to be in this trade, to be honest, man. Right now, not a perfect time to be in a trade.
Order
filled.
I'll let you guys. We'll kind of wait for
filled.
Mr. Tokyo to kind of open up and give us a little bit of a direction, right? So far, it's kind of really choppy. Holy mochaccino. 3 more minutes, guys. Let's see if we get a little bit of a sushi pullback. You're scared to trade. I feel like, don't be scared, brother. Don't be scared. I'm here for you. Don't be scared. Just trade with confidence. Don't be scared. All right, so why don't you use alpha futures? I mean, we still have lots of other firms out there that I kind of believe that it's way better, right? And yeah, I mean, not that alpha is any worse, but it's pricier. You only have few accounts you can have on a funded stage. I don't know, man. I just don't like I think you can only have 2 or 3 accounts, and they're pricier as well. I don't know. I just kind of prefer to stick to Take Profit Twitter, Lucid, Tradify, Apex, and then we got a whole bunch of other firms, right? Legend, Bullanox, Topstep, and Funding Futures Network as well, guys. We get a little bounce, guys. We get a little bounce. We get a little bounce, guys. Got a bounce off the VWAP, so let's see how squeezy we get. You can't be serious with Apex. Why not? Why not? Yeah, I mean, everybody has different opinions. I'm not here to try to convince anybody anyways at the end of the day. So it's like, you know, we all have to give it a try, because if you think about it,
Order filled.
last year, guys, one second, we are getting a little pullback here, guys. Holy mochaccino.
Order
filled.
Holy cappuccino, guys.
Order
What the
filled.
heck is going on right now? We're definitely getting a sushi pullback here, guys. How deep of a pullback are we gonna get? Getting a bounce. Holy man, guys. All right, so we got a little bounce off that low, 812. StockTiger in shambles. Yeah. Yeah, this is fun. This is definitely fun. We got a new candle on a 1-hour chart, guys. We got a new candle, so new candles. Let's see if we pull back into 800. Yeah, I'll just kind of sit and watch now, guys. I mean, I've got 3 contracts. I mean, I should be okay to kind of try to hold. It's not gonna blow my account, right? It looks squeezy here. What a pullback here, and getting a nice little squeeze. I'm gonna try to stay a little patient. Yeah, I will be live tomorrow morning, early, right before the cash opens. So, if you guys want to hang out with the cutest and the largest, yeah, I'll be here live tomorrow morning, all day until the market close. Holy, guys, we are getting a pullback here.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I
Order
went.
filled.
I went with 10. Oh my God, guys, man, this is not looking good.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
I've got 8 contracts. Maybe that's a little bit too much, to be honest.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
oh,
filled.
not bad, guys. Not bad.
Order filled.
Order filled.
You're right at the view up again. Let's see, guys, if we get a little pullback
Order
down.
submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so the view up right there, guys. This could be a little bit of a fake bounce. Right here, we'll find out. Maybe try to give a little bit of a pullback here down. I'm down to 3 contracts now. Yeah, still looking like we wants to get a little pullback here down to 780s, but we'll keep an eye on this. 820 is where we at right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Down to 3. I probably had to take it off right at the view up, guys. Maybe all right, fellow traders, just make sure if you guys want to participate on the giveaway, just type in
Order
exclamation tiger at the same time. Do not forget to smash the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream. We will call out the winner at about 400 likes. And this is the Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway here tonight. And I obviously thank you guys for being here. And let's try to see if we can celebrate 10K sub here today. We obviously had a little bit of liquidity sweep here right at the 840s, and I don't know, we're probably just right at the distribution area now. Maybe we, but like I said again, I mean 780 is where I'm kind of targeting, probably a pullback into. We'll see. All right, so far it's kind of choppy in the range. No bueno, no pasa nada here for now. And once again, everybody, thank you to everybody using my code as well. Pretty much all my firms are coded at as Tiger, so TIGER, and thank you guys for using my code as always, and thank you guys for your support to the stream as well. Being here every single night with us, Globex, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and of course I go live in the mornings too. Not every day, but at least twice a week, guys. Usually at about 10:30, but I will be live tomorrow morning sooner, which is gonna be at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So right before the market opens tomorrow morning, I will be live, and I'm gonna look to see if I can actually get some payouts with Take Profit Trader. I may end up losing, but I'm not going to be afraid to do that. I'm going to try to take a stab, go a little aggressive, and see what happens. It's come to a point where I really have to start getting a little more aggressive. And you know, part of the reason why I kind of loaded in some more accounts in my Take Prop Trader is to really try to be a little more aggressive on some of my pro accounts. So I can, if I end up losing, I had some backups kind of waiting in line. So I've got like 3 or 4 backups kind of sitting at the back. All right, so if I lose one of my accounts in my pro, then I have a chance of kind of rebuilding those pros again, right? So I'm gonna have to be a little more aggressive and find out what happens. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys got emails from firms about hedging, cross hedging against different firms, right? So you maybe, I don't know how they actually catch that, but let's say you're long on Apex, or I don't know, maybe Take Profit Trader, you're long, and then you've got Lucid account that you're shorting. I heard that's a breach now, so you may end up, well, no, you may, I think you are going to lose your accounts, right? So cross account hedging. So as Lucid continues, oh, well, hold on one second, guys, we're getting a little bounce. That's a little bit of a bounce, guys, and we kind of held the 815. All right, I've got 2 contracts. I'm not gonna get too overly concerned about this. We'll see what happens here. But as Lucid continues to grow, Lucid is strengthening systems that protects fairness, capital integrity, and genuine trading opportunities across the platform. We are activating, which means Lucid is activating enhanced monitoring to enforce our existing policy on cross account hedging, opening opposite positions across multiple accounts to offset risk. Oh, maybe this is within their firm. All right, so it doesn't look like they're talking about other firms. Profits from this involved accounts will be removed. Continued hedging after prior flags. I think, yeah, it's within the firm. So I was a little wrong about that. Yeah, sorry guys, I got it wrong. It's I didn't read it properly. My apologies, guys. I mean, what they're saying is cross hedging across their accounts, right? So if you go long on one of their account, and if you go short on one of their other accounts, then you are going to be poo-pooed. All right, so far that's what I heard, and that's what I hear on the emails that I got right now. So we're good to go for now. But of course, I mean, hedging, you know, I mean, personally, I don't hedge like across anything really. I mean, at the end of the day, you're kind of risking one of your accounts, so that's why I don't hedge. But I don't know, I guess some of the traders do that, and that's why these firms are kind of coming up with these emails. But all right, so far, guys, I mean, nothing truly there at the moment. I am getting squeezed here as we speak. I'm kind of down. Get a little squeezy. StockTiger may be in a little trouble here, guys, and thank you everybody for being here as well. Let's try to have some fun on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Let's not try to make any more big damage. So far so good, guys. We're making some nice little trades. I mean, not a significant I mean, good trades, but from a P&L standpoint, nothing truly there. But I mean, it's okay. We'll I'm kind of trying to get into a little bit of a warm-up for tomorrow in the morning, the biggest and the largest. Trying to see if I can actually get into some good trades, you know. That kind of puts me in a good spot to kind of get into better trades tomorrow morning with the bigger payouts. Well, not bigger payouts, bigger P&L. All right, guys, so far we're kind of sitting in the 841. Yeah, that's what I thought the market closed today. I was like, you know, I've got to take a look at this. And the market's open, and also tomorrow morning it's open too. Not a lot of firms are coming out with the notice, by the way, that the market will be half day tomorrow. Incredible. I only got email from, I think, 1 or 2 firms that the market will be half day tomorrow. incredible. It's weird. Am I the only one not getting emails, or everybody's got it? George Asim K, where do you see PROPFIRMs in 5 years from now? Honestly, I have no idea. And does it really matter? I don't think so. I mean, for us, our goal right now is to try to maximize our potential, right? Get as much as you can in the PROPFIRM space, and then move those funds to do stuff that you like to do on a longer run, right? So maybe it could be your swing trading account, it could be your day-to-day equity trading account. It could be for anything really, for that purpose. You know, and they're coming up with something more exciting now, the CME, right? They're I don't know if you guys heard that, but they're coming up with not just the futures trading, but they're also getting futures trading on equities as well, guys. So you could trade Tesla any time of the day on the futures, right? Tesla futures, Nvidia futures, AMD futures, Palantir futures. How exciting that's gonna be, guys. I mean, that's gonna be a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys heard that, but guys, man, as we are talking, I'm getting squeezed here. And that too, on top of that, guys, it's gonna be with what again? With the leverage as well. So you can trade 24 hours a day, right? Globex with leverage. So what else can you kind of expect, man? This is gonna be huge, and I can almost kind of get, well, I'll definitely be a very active trader in that space for sure, 100%. And we've also got Tradify coming up with their crypto futures as well, guys. I mean, we are living in a very exciting times, by the way, right? So let's try to have some fun. You know, let's try to see if we can actually, you know, a lot of traders still struggling, right? So I would love to see you guys obviously become a lot more profitable and take advantage of the, you know, of everything that's going on that we have, that's available for us, right? We got so many things that's available in front of us. We got to really take advantage of this. And I'd love to see everybody here on this stream right now. We got over 700 viewers now. I would love to see all of you become profitable, right? And keep banking and capitalize. Yeah, we got Warbucks, we got everything, guys. We got Tradify coming up with I think it's open now. I think it's live crypto, right? So of course you guys can use my code as well, Tiger, as always. Thank you so much. Yeah, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Good times, good times. So yeah, Justin, right, there's a lot of traders resetting their Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I would never reset any of my pro accounts. I would never do that. Even if it's gonna take me a couple of weeks to kind of try to get back to the pro accounts, I would never do that. I will never. I'm not in a camp. You guys know, I mean, I've been always calling out this, but I'm just, you know, I just don't like the idea of resetting funded accounts, guys. I mean, I just don't like that. Number one, it's costly. Right, and once you get a little bit, I don't know, I mean, once you start to reset your pro accounts, you're gonna continue to reset your pro accounts, and those are costly. It's not cheap. It's like $6.99 for resetting pro accounts. Imagine if you reset 10 accounts, that's gonna be like $7,000-8,000 by the time it's said and done. And is there a guarantee that you're gonna get a payout on those accounts? I don't know, man. I don't know. I haven't got payouts from Take Profit Trader in about two and a half weeks. And this is that almost kind of feels like trading silver, in my opinion. I mean, you are able, look, I made $14,000 trading silver, right? I didn't make a big deal out of it because at the end I ended up losing that account that I made $14,000 trading silver, and that was obviously a couple weeks ago. But I mean, those are bad habits in my opinion. Trading silver, you're gonna make $11,000-12,000 trading silver with 1 or 2 mini contracts. I mean, don't get me wrong, but I mean, you could also lose equally as much. And especially for traders who's got a lot of distractions during the day, like myself, I think it's always kind of like better to stay safe. Yeah, I mean, distractions meaning if you're not a full-time trader, you got a lot of work, and you got people calling you, giving you a call, you know, and you know, stuff like that, right? And you're not in your front of your desk, in front of your computing trading desk station, and yeah, that's not good. Yeah, this resetting is a big, you know, in my opinion, I think it's what do you call this? It's kind of putting you in a, I don't know how to describe it, but it's definitely not healthy in my opinion. Yeah, but of course everybody's different. There's some traders who does really well resetting pro accounts. I would just like me personally, I would just rather use that $600-700 to get 6 more evals on Take Profit Trader and try to pass 4 or 5. I don't know, but of course everybody's different, so I can't. NQ scouts are scary. Yeah, I mean, it could get pretty scary pretty quickly as well, right? Yeah, I mean, I don't have the big B, right, to do stuff like that. Yeah, I don't have a big B. Guys, by the way, thank you guys for being here, of course, and thank you guys for smashing the like. If you have not done so, please take a few seconds of your time to do that. I would really appreciate you guys taking a few seconds of your time to smash the like, and thank you guys for being here, of course. And we got Take Profit Trader giveaway happening right now, !Tiger, to give yourself a chance to participate on this. And I'm on a trade right now, trying to see if we can actually get a little pullback here down. Maybe this could be the triple top, I don't know, we'll find out. But I'm not willing to add any position to this. I've got 2 contracts. I want to kind of wait and see what it does. And yeah, you guys, I did share my Discord link. I'll share it again right now if you guys are interested. This is my Discord link, guys. You guys want to hang out with one of the finest day traders in the prop space. It's all here. Just right when you have this accounts giveaway, how come you? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I want to give it back. I want to give it back. And on top of that, the Take Profit Traders, Take Profit Traders, if you pass, then you don't have to pay for the activation. All right, guys, I'm here right now trying to show this market. No, just the Take Profit Trader has no activation, and if you win the Licits or any other firms other than Apex, there is an activation, of course, once you pass, especially on the giveaway accounts. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys once again for being here. What a beautiful Sunday afternoon, guys, and I thank you, all of you. I'm down to 2 contracts, 2 micro contracts to the downside. I'm looking for a push down. We'll see if we get it, guys. A small size, nothing truly that significant, by the way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's all thanks to you guys, man. I mean, what am I? What am I, man? It's you guys who's making this channel grow, and it's all thanks to you guys, man. It's all thanks to you guys. It's not me. I've really done anything. Yes, that's right. So Tradify obviously has the 150 case. If you go with the 150s, they got 40% off right now. That's $215. So that's a pretty good deal in my opinion on my Tradify 150s. And then also the Lucid, any account size, you got 40% off up to 5 accounts, right? So that's what you have with the Lucids. And of course the Take Profit Trader, you still have the 40% off right now ongoing. It's been ongoing for a while now. And all these accounts are with no activation, by the way. So Apex 80%, Billinox 79% off, and you also have Top Step 30% off right now as well. Good or bad, it's still you know, an offer, 30%. You got Legend 30% off. I don't think that's a good deal in my opinion. So the funded next has $99. That's the Bolt challenge. That's still ongoing right now, by the way. But you have to go through the daily loss limit on the Bolt challenge on a funded next. That's $1,000, right? So, all right, guys, let's see if we get a little pullback here. I may want to try to add some more here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Let's try to get a little aggressive. I'm looking for that pullback into the VWAP, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that, but we'll give it a shot here, guys. We'll give it a shot.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I've got 7 contracts right now. Yeah, I'm not truly that concerned about even if we get a little squeeze here. I will exit this trade at about 870 area. That's where my exit is going to be. I'm giving myself a lot of room, and I've only got 7 contracts here, right? So nothing really that crazy. I could easily kind of try to hold into the 870s because I only got 7 micro contracts, right? This is why sometimes I like to have micro trading, because it kind of gives me a lot of room, or a lot of wiggle room. Elevated life, Bulenox. Are you making fun of me, you silly willy? All right, so far it's kind of chopping, guys. Nothing there at the moment. Nothing there, right? Nothing there. And by the way, we also have to celebrate our let me just check. Let me just see how many members we have on our Discord too. Yeah, guys, man, we are 1987. We are pretty much. We only have 13 more. We only need 13 more members to get over 2,000 members on our Discord too. And we only need about 40 more subs on the YouTube to get over 10,000, guys. This is incredible. This is incredible. I knew this is gonna happen, so that's why I decided to do a take profit trader 50K account giveaway here today. And of course, once again, it's all you guys, man. Thank you guys, obviously, for being here with us every single night, guys, man. Holy mochaccino, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Globex Asia, incredible. Where's my coffee? Yeah, we do celebrate lunar. The Lunar New Year is for Chinese and Koreans, pretty much. Hey, it doesn't really matter. I'm from Mongolia anyways. I'm a Mongoli. Mongoli. All right, are we gonna get a pullback here or what now? The market, let's just decide. Let's just decide. Yeah, you have 30 days, Alfred. You have 30 days, right? So if you don't pass within 30 days, then you're gonna get rebuild, right? You're gonna get rebuild, and that's what literally a lot of other firms as well, like Apex, 30 days, you get a rebuild. And be careful with these rebuilds, especially with Apex. They're pretty pricey. Justin Wright, I think so. I don't think. Yeah, there's honestly nothing there to not really trust. I think it's there. I understand what you mean. They may try to adjust those numbers, but yeah, I'm okay. I have confidence on that report, to be honest. Wisdom of Fear in the house, man. What is up, brother? Oh my god, you're getting a bounce in this market, guys, and I'm down. I will exit this trade on a bounce into 870. I'm gonna have to exit. Have you ever used Wise? I did, yeah, Trevor. I used Wise. I also use PayPal too. It's easier to kind of try to use the PayPal, in my opinion, for take prop trader. But of course, everybody's different and different circumstances as well. So. What happens to the profits on the past eval? Once you pass your eval, that profit's gone. What are you talking about, brother? Yeah, that's any profits that you make across any firms on an eval account. That's not a payout. That's just us, accumulated profits that you needed to pass your eval account. So once you pass, you get to the funded stage. Your profits you made on your eval accounts are forfeited, and of course, and your funded stage, you get to the funded stage, your profits on your funded stage is zero. So you're gonna have to start all over again. I mean, not all over again. You got to the funded stage. That's a great job, but you're gonna have to build that funded account to get to the payout again, right? So. So far, pretty slow price action, guys. Yeah, I mean, yeah, me too, man. I don't know if you guys went through this situation where a while ago I had, I don't know, I had like $30,000-$40,000 of profit on an eval account that only needed $9,000 of profit on it. Maybe, yeah, if they allow you to keep that account, well, keep that profits to get to payout, then that'll be nice. Yeah, for sure. It looks squeezy, guys. It looks squeezy. But again, we're in the chop area now, and we're in the Globex, right? So. Is anybody working tomorrow, or everybody's day off tomorrow in the States? Whoa, really? Everybody's working tomorrow. All right, guys. I declare state of emergency in the States. Everybody's off tomorrow, guys. Oh no! Guys, man, I think the market did not like my statement there, guys. We get a little squeezy bounce. Incredible. Then gov jumps are off. Everyone else is working. Oh. Uh-oh. I may be in a little trouble, guys. Yeah, I mean, we could get a little bit of surprise, guys, in this market. I mean, this candle here right now looks pretty good, but again, I'm gonna wait for a 850 zone. 850, 860, right? So that's where I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I may have to exit this trade right
Order
at this
canceled.
860. So let me just get rid of my limit orders here.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna have to kind of get prepare myself for a exit strategy, if you will.
Order submitted.
I will exit right at the 855. Probably. I may be down a little bit on this bad boy, but it's fine. I would love to pass this accounts. Hopefully by I don't know. Man, I still need $9,000 of profit on this, so it's gonna be tough. Warful, why, man? You need one more day to request the payout. Nice. Hey, by the way, happy birthday, Verdi. Happy birthday, and I wish you get your payout, bro, on your birthday, man. That's gonna be incredible. Yeah. I wish a lot of you guys get a lot of payouts, man. I wish a lot of you guys are getting a lot of payouts. I'm struggling this month, but I'm grinding. I'm struggling, but I'm grinding. We'll see. We'll see. I'm working on my, yeah, I'm working on it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm in no rush at the moment. You know? But things have changed. You know, when I say I'm struggling, like let's say 12 months ago, when I say I'm really struggling, I would have no payouts by now. But now, you know, this year and of course in the last 8 months, you know, even though I'm struggling, I still have like quite a decent payouts across multiple firms, you know, and including TopStep as well. So things have changed a little bit, you know what I mean? So I guess I'm just getting better at trading. I guess that's what it is. And everybody's going to get better at trading too, right? As I grow, everybody else is going to grow at the same time. And we're all going to find a way to find, you know, our edge. Oh, Mochaccino, look at that, guys. It's an incredible... Nothing to trade at the moment. That's right, sir. Holy, guys. Looks squeezy here. Looks squeezy. I haven't added anything just yet. But looks squeezy, guys. The candle is looking pretty bullish, but we'll see. Of course, a lot of things can happen during Asia, so I'm not entirely too concerned at the moment. Yeah, I'm not adding anything. 7 contracts, that's all I have right now, so $843 here. Yeah, we hit 849 right at the ceiling, so yeah, I mean, I don't want to add anything here because I don't want to pressurize myself and kind of get stuck in the wrong direction and end up being like $700-800 down and then that's gonna put me in a bit of a pressure into tomorrow morning, right? Ooh, everybody, we got I don't know if the Shanghai market is closed. I mean their stock market. Let me just take a look and see. Shanghai market. Oh my god, as soon as I type in Shanghai, guess what I'm getting? Shanghai restaurant, Shanghai noodle, Shanghai rice. All right, let me just take a look and see if the Shanghai Stock Exchange is closed. All right, so Shanghai, I think they are closed. I think, oh, no. Shanghai is open for trading on Monday through Friday. I don't know. Oh no, they will be closed. The Chinese New Year market will be closed from February 15th on Sunday into the February 23rd. Yeah, Shanghai noodle is great, guys. Such a noodle. I love it. So they are closed, guys. They are closed. They are closed, yeah. I'm not adding anything right now. I'm just gonna sit on it and just for now. They're closed, guys. Singapore. And next, we got Malaysia. And what next? Indonesia. And what next? Nifty. Guys, Nifty. Let's go, Nifty. The biggest and the largest. Johnny Joker. Divana. All right, 8:41 now. Holy mochaccino, this is unreal. Let's take a look at the gold, by the way. I did not take a look at the gold. Uh, 50.32, guys. We had a nice little pullback on the gold. Wow, and it's just kind of sitting there. Let's take a look at the silver. Silver pulling back as well. ES is kind of sitting there as well. I don't know. ES is pretty choppy. Let's take a look at the crude oil here, guys. Crude oil pulling back as well, $62. Even with tension in the Middle East, we're still at $62, right? So by now it should have been like $100 with the tension that we are getting in the Middle East. Yeah, so far I'm kind of down. Looks squeezy here, so I better maybe we I don't know. It looks like a bullish candle, but we got to get above this though. We got to get above this, right? This is got to be a big one. We got to get above this, guys. This is got to be a big level. We got to get above 850, 860, I would say. That's why I'm kind of holding on to this. I want to see if we are able to pierce through this and try to give us that little candle that's gonna look like this, right? Are we gonna try to get something like that here? If we do, then that's a different conversation. Yeah. If we get out of this and into, I would say 880, and if that holds, then yeah, we have a chance of a pretty solid bounce into tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna be watching this, guys. Are we going to be able to do that on our first attempt? That's going to be a little bit of a tough one, in my opinion, but who knows what this market's going to do. So this is what I'm going to be looking at right now. So let's see if we get a little ejection here. and give us that a pullback and maybe a reattempt to kind of try to retest the high, maybe get a little pullback down and try to get a bounce again. We'll see. Yeah, JP, you gotta do a lot of buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. Oh, by the way, it depends on what firm you're trading, but I'm pretty much all the what do you call this, majority of the firms you could do buy sell, buy sell, buy sell, and you kind of lose on a commission. You end up losing your profits to kind of get down into the consistency, right? So unless they've got you know, what do you call this, what is it called again, guys? I mean the consistency rule on holding your account less than 10 seconds, for example, right? That would be a problem. Yeah, 10 second scalp, that's right. Yeah, cruise. So I did that with Tradify and I ended up obviously having a little bit of a problem. That was really annoying, by the way. Yeah, you know, lately I've been making a lot of silly mistakes like that, or either trading funded accounts instead of trading evals, for example, and getting into mini contracts where I'm supposed to be getting into micro and end up being like 4 or 5 mini contracts. Yeah, man, I've been lately making a lot of mistakes like that, and I think that's probably because you know, you definitely have a lot of distraction during the day. So if you guys are like me, you know, try to look at the account numbers, try to look at what contract you're trading on before you actually get into trading, because that's gonna kind of bite you at the end. All right, guys, let's see if we get a little pullback here, guys. We're still sitting at 840 right now. $840, guys. And a couple things I want to let you guys know. We are 13 members away from getting to 2,000 members on our Discord, number one, and we are 30 subs away from being over 10,000 on our YouTube. Guys, man, I thank you so much, everybody. If you guys want to show some love, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you have not done so. And if you guys want to participate on the giveaway here today, just make sure to type an exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this beautiful giveaway here. Take Profit Trader 50K account, guys. We may have to do another giveaway, by the way. Depends, right? Depends. We may have to do another one. Depends on how quickly we can get to, I don't know. If we can, yeah, if we can hit 10,000 subs today, man, that's gonna be incredible. And of course, it's all thanks to you guys, man. I did not think we're gonna be able to do it today. I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty sure we got some unsubscribing too. Anyways, guys, let's try to have some fun. Oh my god, I thought we are getting a pullback here, but instead we are getting a strong bounce, guys. I mean, it's kind of holding all these levels. Let's try to be a little patient, guys. Let's try to stay a little patient. I'm gonna stay a little patient. Let's see what happens here. If we end up getting a squeezy bounce, I'm gonna have to maybe think about exiting my trade. But until we do that, let's try to be in this trade, at least for me. And then see if you get a little pullback here down to the 800s, or maybe down into the 7. Well, yeah, I think 800 is probably a good spot to try to go long again. So I'm gonna be looking for that pullback into the 800, guys. We'll see, and that's where the VWAP is as well. So yeah, it's it looks, well, I'm not saying it looks weak, but it looks a little tired, right, with no volume. So maybe we end up getting a pullback. I don't know. But sometimes we get a squeezy bounce even with no volume too. We'll see, guys. We'll see what happens now. It is. Bop, 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 bop. It is. Oh, did I forget something here? Did I miss something? Hold on one second, guys. Maybe I have missed something here. I don't know. I don't know. What am I looking at? Mr. Ross, you like my new thumbnail? Looks like you just hit a big L. Thanks, man. Look at the crazy trend on a tick chart, bro. Levi, what is going on, man? Are you from Levi or no? I used to love Levi, by the way. Do they even exist now? Those were a long time ago, though. I used to be a big fan. Pro Trader, man. Thanks, brother. Well, it's getting there. I'm getting there. Rick On, what I was doing every day, giveaway for the community. Oh, thanks, man, Rick On. Thank you so much, brother, for your kind words. Total Doke. Appreciate the stream. Thank you, brother. Thank you for being here, of course. All right, so let's keep an eye on this, guys. We're slowly trying to grind to the downside. Oh, it's from the attack on the Titans. Okay, my apologies. No bueno, no pasa nada. Korea. Korea, BTS, Blackpink. All right, man. I've been waiting for this pullback here. Holy mochaccino. Let's get a little bit of a nice salami pullback here, guys. Let's see what happens now. Holy. On the T. On the T. 16 times major champion. And 5 times Masters champion. StockTiger. Please welcome. Yeah, I know, man. Anthony Kim, yo, guys, man, you guys have no idea what he went through. Anthony Kim, and I was surprised that, well, not even surprised, I was shocked to see Anthony Kim. Wow, man, guys, he's won something that I thought he's never ever going to be able to do that, right? Incredible. On what? Yeah, he went through a lot of trouble, right? Many years ago. Yeah, he's won a championship on the live live, or I don't know how you pronounce that, LIV. It's the league. Yeah, man. I think he shot I think he shot like 9 on the par on the last round, on the final round of the championship. Yeah, he's killed it, bro. He's killed it. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I was always rooting for him in the past when he was kind of like Tiger Woods' rival. And that was many years ago, like 15 years ago, I think, if I'm not wrong. But I don't know. He kind of disappeared for many years and kind of got back. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad that he's actually won something at this age. By the way, man, he's not. I don't think he's young. How old is Anthony Kim? Let me find out. Anthony Kim's age. Yeah, he's 40, guys, man. He's 40. He's born in 1985. Well, he's kind of like, he's way younger than I am. He's way younger than I am. I'm only 17 right now. The math is a little off, but yeah, it's okay. Man, is this gonna squeeze me out? Yeah, I'm turning 18 in about a month, and Anthony Kim is still younger than I am, so I don't know. Something seems off, but I wonder what this market's gonna try to do. Are we gonna really get a squeeze here, guys? Man, this is gonna be huge. Or do we get a big fat rejection of this level? Like, obviously it's gonna be hard to try to long at this level here at 850, right? So maybe I could add a few more here to the table, guys. Maybe
order filled. Order filled.
yeah,
Order
a few
filled.
more.
Order
filled.
Let's see,
Order
guys.
filled. Order filled.
Yeah,
Order
and I'm
filled.
gonna obviously have a hard stop. Let's see, guys. We'll see now. Let's take a risk here. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna put a lot of limit orders right underneath where my entry is. We could get a little pullback here. I wouldn't be surprised, but we could also get a little squeeze as well, right? So that's what I'm kind of a little concerned. We'll
Order
see.
submitted. Order submitted.
I've got 15 now,
Order
so
canceled. Order
I'll have a hard
submitted.
stop.
Order
sorry.
submitted.
Oops.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I'll have a hard stop right at the 860, and then one at 870. Actually, no, I'll flip that. Yeah, that's it. So let's see, guys, if we get a little pullback here, maybe some of my orders actually get filled. I've got a hard stop here right now, so we'll see. 861 and 870-ish area is where my stop is going to be. Actually, no, I lied. 850, 860. Yeah, let's see. Maybe a little pullback here is going to be nice if it can, but if not, then I'll be okay with it too. Yeah, if we get a squeeze, yeah, I'll get stopped out. Yeah, I'll get stopped out pretty hard. Not gonna be fun, but you know. Yeah, I mean, we're having a nice little celebration here, man. I hope this market kind of plays, you know, be kind with StockTiger, at least for today, for tonight. Not ruin my day, or our celebration, if you will. With the big fat squeeze here, man, I'll definitely get squeezed pretty hard. Squeezy, StockTiger in trouble. We'll find out, everybody. Who knows? We get a 300 points pullback here. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I say, nobody but you. Oh, look squeezy. Look squeezy here. Max out in the short. Holy mochaccino. Well, yeah, I don't like max out is always a problem. Too much stress. I'm okay with 15 contracts here, to be honest, but I mean, anything beyond that, I'm like, oh my god, it's But I've got a take some risk here. Not today, but not necessarily today. But I mean, moving into tomorrow, I'm gonna have to start to take some more aggressive steps, especially with my eval accounts. And I'm gonna be very aggressive tomorrow morning with my pro account. So hopefully I don't get in trouble. I'm willing to take some risk tomorrow morning, so that's fine. Man, it looks weak, guys. I mean, Shanghai obviously closed. Do we hit man, if we hit $25,000 tomorrow before the market opens, man, I'll be surprised. Looks like grind to the upside, right? I mean, just based on what we see, at least there's 2 green bars that we actually got here. Makes me, you know, like it's looking good so far. Yeah, we gotta get underneath 805 to become a lot more bearish into this market, but
Order filled.
Order filled.
holy mochaccino pullback. Look at that, guys. Let's go, everybody. Give it to me now. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Just hit it. Just keep hitting it.
Order filled.
Right now.
Order filled.
Order
Hit
filled.
it. Let's go.
Order filled.
Woo.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Woo. That feels so good, guys. I mean, every time the TP gets filled, it's like, ooh. Shukran, Habibi. Shukran. Wallah, shukran, wallah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Ah, I took my profit a little bit too early. It's okay. We'll walk away, guys. We'll walk away, right? We'll walk away. All right, guys. I'm gonna exit that trade, man. Well, maybe not. I'm gonna try to hold this, guys. Hold it to the very end.
Order canceled.
Yeah, Mafi Mushkil, yeah. Mafi Mushkil, Sergi. شو هذا مسخرة؟ Oh my god, this is a lot of fun, man. This is a lot of fun.
Order canceled. Order
I don't
canceled.
need my stop anymore, do I?
Order canceled.
We're kind of up down there. Well, what a nasty pullback here, guys. And by the way, guys, if you're new, please not forget to smash the like, guys. I really appreciate it. You know, take a few seconds of your time to do that. And if you guys want to participate, if you haven't done so, type in exclamation tiger, obviously, to give yourself a chance to participate on this beautiful giveaway here. Tech Profit Trader 50K account happening here tonight, guys. And we are getting pretty close to 10,000 subs. And I thank you, all of you, for your support as always, every single night. Without you guys, this would have never been possible, right? Never been possible. And I hope to, yeah, continue this journey with my fellow traders here every single night. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade here right at the view up. Sorry, not at the view up, right at the EMA. 826 here, guys. Yeah, it feels good turning 18 pretty soon here. Feels really good, guys. I'm an adult now. Do I want to go long here, guys? I mean, honestly, I kind of prefer to short the market right now, but we are right in the middle, so I'm going to look for a little bounce and maybe try to short again. It is... How much profit was that? I was down about $300 and I ended up making 200. So essentially that was like $500 trade. That was $500 trade on 15 contracts. 15 micron contracts. Semiconductor micron 15 contracts. I need some more, man. I need some more. This is no good. And this is no good. No bueno, guys. We need some... don't you guys think we need some bigger profits here, right? Maybe a nice little 10 grand profits. That would probably satisfy our needs. And I'm just kidding, by the way, guys. I'm just kidding. I'm trading Tradify. And by the way, I trade Tradify, I trade Listed, I trade Take Profit Trader, I trade Apex, I trade Billanox, I trade E8. I also trade FIDIAS. I trade Funding Futures Network. I trade Top Step, and I trade Legend accounts. Legend accounts, I gotta load in some accounts, by the way, but I haven't been really getting some deals with them. So, and then who else I trade with? I guess that's pretty much it, in my opinion. And I'm trying to trade Trade Day as well, but I don't know, man. Trade Day. I just too many right now. I'm just trying to control my not control. I mean, try to be able to. It's a bit overwhelming, right? That's the problem. So I'm just trying to micromanage my firms that I'm trading with. And maybe once I try to build more accounts, more buffer on my existing accounts, I'll try to add more firms to the table. Yeah, E8 is one-time payment. E8 is one-time payments, and they've got a deal. I think it's 35 to 40%. You're essentially paying about, I think $85. I think for a 50K account. They're pretty good. I loaded a 150K account with them. I think that's it. Yeah, I've got E8. It's 150K account. I just got to trade this account, bad boy. I'm trying to get some more accounts with them, so we'll see how that thing kind of plays out. We'll see. We have quite a few traders trading E8 on our Discord, by the way. If you guys got questions, you guys are most welcome, of course. We had Monica take, I don't know, $5,000 a payout on the E8 on the first try. Good example there. No point for traders in Canada trading Take Profit Trader. Well, not really. Depends, right? Where you're living. If you live in Ontario, you're fine. I've been trading pro accounts for as long as for over a year now. I've been trading just pro accounts without Pro Plus. Unfortunately, because I'm not part of because I don't live in Ontario, so you can't go live. At least we're lucky to be able to trade with these pro accounts, right? All right, guys, man, are we gonna get a nice little pop here, or? I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't necessarily get a lot of likes, by the way. I mean, compared to how much of views I get. I don't know. Maybe I have I don't know. Like some places they've got I don't know, man, they've got more likes than viewers. Yeah, but I guess it really depends. Yeah, at least for me though, it's I'm grateful with what I get, so I'm totally fine. Oh, by the way, guys, man, what the heck, man? 8:45 here. We are getting a bounce, guys. We're getting a little bit of a squeeze here. Don't forget to type in exclamation tiger, guys, if you want to participate on the giveaway. I'm gonna close the entries pretty soon here, so just make sure to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance. And of course, I thank you guys for being here on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and this could be the moment, this could be the day here today where StockTiger may be over 10,000 sub. We'll find out, guys, in a few minutes. Getting pretty close. And I thank you guys for being here every day with us. And so far, guys, 8:43, the market trying to hold. Got a nice, beautiful hold at 8:22, guys. It almost kind of make me feel like, you know, we are maybe heading higher here today. Right, so far that's what it kind of looks like. All right, guys, we got 8:43. 8:43. Anybody trading with Lucid Black? And while this market's trying to figure out what it wants to do, let's quickly try to take a look and see on our payout tab and see if anybody's got any payouts. Of course not, because this is Sunday night, right? So, but holy man, we got Mr. Arigato with $10,000 of payout. I don't know what firm this is. I don't know what firm is this, but I mean, congrats, man. Arigato, good job, man. We got Scalpster taking $1,800 on Kalshi. Kalshi, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about this Kalshi, but yeah, this definitely pays pretty good. I like that. Yeah, this is yeah, Kalshi's paying, man. Look at this bad boy, $1,800. Holy mochaccino. Oh, and by the way, guys, I requested on Friday afternoon, a little late, I requested Lucid Flex $2,000. Of course, it's already approved and the money's already out of my bank account, right? So, and take profit. Sorry, Tradify, $970 I requested as well. So that was about $2,600 I requested. That puts me at about $8,000, $8,400 so far to date. Not a strong month, but you know, I'll be glad. I'll be grateful with any kind of payouts this month for sure. For StockTiger. Yeah, called Sheet Tiger. Yeah, elevated life. Lucid Flex is the best. You would never go for the others. JP, yeah, Lucid Flex is good. Yeah, with the price that you're paying, you know, it's nice. I like it too. But I also want to give it a try with the you know, sometimes you're gonna have tough weeks, tough months. I kind of feel like February is the toughest month for me, at least so far, right? At least compared to the last 8 months that I've been trading. Let's say, well, 8 to 10 months, right? Last 8 to 10 months, I think this is probably the toughest month for me. Toughest month, yeah, toughest month, because I kind of struggled in the last 3 weeks. Last 2 weeks of January, I really struggled, right? Thanks to silver trading. And yeah, that kind of hurts, but we're back again. You know, I feel a lot more confident in my trading after really trying to stay away from silver, and of course including gold as well. I just kind of feel like I'm back to where it's supposed to be. So all I really have to do now is to start you know, grinding, you know, just make sure I stay consistent, so I can actually get to a bigger payout down the road. And that's what I'm trying. It's gonna take a little bit of time. It's not gonna be in like, you know, wow, you know, somehow it's not gonna it's a tough month, and that's it, you know, that's a tough month. We'll try to make a much stronger, bigger payout story in the month of March. All right, so far we are really chopping here, right? This is pretty close to, I would say, 20-30 points range, which is very bad. According to Globex, well, not Globex, according to Asia standards, we are not okay with 20 points range, guys. Asia is not okay with it. Yeah, we had a pretty nice volatile move here right at the start, and then really kind of started to die off, thanks to Shanghai being closed right now. Shanghai's closed. Did you receive a payout from Tradify? I did, yeah, I did. It's on route right now, on route. It's on route to my my bank account, but the money's already out of my what do you call this? Already out of the account, right? I use Rise for Tradify, so yeah, it's kind of tough to, like, if you're a non-US citizen, or if you're trading anywhere international, it takes a little bit of time for these payouts, right? Even with listed, it takes a few days to kind of hit your bank account. Even though it gets approved and the money gets out of your PROPFIRM account right away, to hit your bank account, it takes a few days, right? If you're international, right, or non-US trader, which is fine by me. That's why I don't really pay attention too much to you know, certain firms calling out instant payouts. You know, it doesn't really matter to me, because at the end of the day, for international traders, it's like, it's gonna take time whether you like it or not, you know what I mean? So it doesn't really matter. It does matter if you're a US trader, because it hits your bank account right away, so that's great. But for international trader, it's gonna take some time. That's why it's not truly that important for me. Actually, you know what? The thing is, I think Apex is probably faster than anybody else, at least from my perspective, for international traders. Because if I get approved today, I get an email notification from Plane in a day, and then it takes another day to hit my bank account. So apparently Apex is probably faster than anybody else for me, being an international trader, you know what I mean? That's crazy. Wow, what a chop fest here, guys, in this market. Holy mochaccino. Let's try to see if we get a little bit of a sushi pullback here. We'll see, guys. We are looks like we are 8 subs away from hitting over 10k subs, guys. Man, what a freaking journey. It's definitely been a roller coaster, tough journey, I'll say that much. But whew, it's been a tough one. hell of a journey, but yeah, it's all thanks to you guys, man. It's all thanks to you guys. I would have probably given up many months ago. Yeah, I have that sharp PO. I get in US dollars. I mean, without going further into too much details, but I have USD accounts. Yeah, and I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move all these firms to my my company's account too. So a lot of changes taking place right now. So we'll see. The market is not going to move. Trader JK, what is going on, man? Yeah, I just got somebody to unsub. I'm to unsub. So we're down to, we still need 9 more subs now. somebody unsub. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate it. No, I'm not from the US. No, I live in Canada. The North and strong. All right, fellow traders, man. We are getting pretty close. Let's go, baby. The market's so choppy, right? Holy man, guys, man. It's a 20 points range. It's not wanting to move. So while we kind of wait, and keep in mind, Apex is you're taking 100% of the profits that you make. It's all in your pocket, right? So, you know, the thing about the other firms are, you know, they take 20% of the share. So let's say if you're $1,000 request you make, you're only taking $800, right? But with Apex, you're taking the whole thing into your bank account, which is pretty significant, by the way. So you have to think about that too. Yes, the rules are a little more complicated, right? But I mean, as long as you kind of respect and follow their rules, and I think primarily there's two things, right? It's either 30% consistency rule or it's your contract size, right? As long as you're, I mean, there's no obviously reason to try to be over 5 mini contracts to start with, right? 1 mini is good enough. So all you really have to do is focus on your 30% consistency rule, and if you respect that rule, you know, and if you get to a payout, that is all your money, and you can pick up to 20 accounts at a time. So it's like, yeah, you know, you have a lot of advantage. I mean, trading with Apex. So I'm not saying it's like incredibly the best thing you can ever have, but don't rule out, you know, and try to put all the noise aside and give yourself a try. Uh-oh. Guys, did I just get disconnected or what? I think I did get disconnected now. I hope I'm wrong. Wow, guys, this market is pretty much dead. This market is pretty much dead, guys. We had a nice volatility right at the start, and now it's completely dead, guys. What about the gold? Let's take a look at the gold, guys. I mean, the gold is kind of... Oh, mochaccino bounce on the gold, guys. I may trade gold here. I don't know, man. You know, the gold drives me crazy sometimes, so that's why I don't want to get mentally kind of distracted by trading gold and get stopped out. But that's why I try to refrain from trading gold, because it drives me nuts sometimes, to be honest. You guys know, I mean, you know, like 6-7 months ago, you guys know, I get really annoyed sometimes trading gold, and that kind of wrecks my brain, and then obviously I screw up on the rest of my other accounts. But I mean, that's why trading gold, to me, it's like, ugh. I try to stay away from it. Yeah, the only thing is, yeah, you're right. I mean, you cannot trade. Oh, you cannot trade gold. Yeah, but you know, I mean, that does not change the fact that we still have lots of potential with Apex accounts. Even though I'm doing pretty bad this month with Apex, but about the trades, man, how's it going? Yeah, I'm so grateful, and I'm really thankful that I found a way to stay away from trading metals. You know, it just feels so good right now. I think the more I start to trade again the gold, I think it's gonna really screw my brains. So I better stay away from it. And you guys, we are back here again. So we had a higher in the low. Right, so we're kind of in the chop zone right now. Not bullish and not bearish at the moment, but I'm leaning more. Oh man, so far I'm kind of leaning more bullish, but we'll see, guys. Pretty nice little doji candle that we're getting here. Excuse me. All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day. We gotta get our giveaway. We have to do, we gotta get our giveaway going. But I'm just kind of waiting for our sub count. We're getting pretty close, guys, man. Four away. 4 away from getting over 10K. So. Yeah, I should have done the giveaway by now, but we'll just kind of wait for you know, 2 more away from being over 10K. So it's you know, hold on one second, guys. I'm just gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back. All right, still chopping. Thank you guys for being patient. How can we blow our account with nothing moving? Yeah, that's a good question. Let's take a look at holy guys, man. All right, fellow traders, man, we've got to over 10K, everybody. Whoa! Wow, guys, man, we just hit 10,000 subs, guys, man. This is 10,000 subs from 0 to where we at right now, guys, man. I obviously want to thank you, to all of you, and appreciate every single one of you guys, man. It's the constant grind that kept this thing going, and obviously without you guys this would have never been possible. So once again, thank you so much, everybody. Yeah, man, this is incredible. Over 10,000 subs right now. Crazy guys, crazy times. And I thank you, man. I thank you to all of you, to each one of you guys, for your true support to the stream and to this channel. What a battle, guys, what a battle. We keep grinding. We're here today with over 10,000 subs, and I cannot be any more thankful. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. And like I said again, without you guys, this would have never been possible, right? This would have never been possible. So this journey without your support cannot be possible. So once again, thank you to each one of you for making this possible. And I hope we can grow this together, this trading journey together with all of my fellow traders. Oh, and thank you, Sparkling, for the membership. Thank you for your donation for the membership. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. What a fun night, guys. Woo! Oh my god. Get a little emotional here, guys, but maybe it's a great thing this market is kind of chopping here in the very tight range. Crazy times, man. Crazy times. Anyways, guys. All right, so no, I'm trading from Canada. Once again, I thank you everybody for your support. Obviously, without you guys, this would have never been possible. And I thank you, Sparkling, for your donation for 10 membership. A big shout out to Sparkling once again. And thank you, everybody, for being here as always, every single night and in the mornings as well. And thank you to all my YouTube members for your support to the stream as well. And here we go, guys. We got to do our giveaway now, right? This market is really not moving at all, guys. Holy mochaccino. Discount code does not work for an activation, unfortunately. It's only for the evals. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do our giveaway now. A call out to a winner. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries. I've closed the entries, guys. We are gonna now pick the winner. And by the way, guys, if you are the winner, you have 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us, right? So I'm gonna put a timer on as well. Okay. Thank you, guys. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pick the winner now. Guys, the entry's closed. You keep typing it again and again. I'm gonna have to give a little well, no, I mean, today is not a day to do that. Yeah, but try to refrain from typing it over and over again, guys, if you don't mind. We're all grown-ups, right? Yeah, I don't want to time out anybody today. Today is not the day to do that. Yeah. So anyways, guys, good luck. I'm gonna pick the winner now, everybody. Let's go. 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us, okay? Profit Factor. Oh my god, Profit Factor, yo! Is Profit Factor here? Profit Factor, yo! Alright, 1 minute. Profit Factor, are you here? 1 minute, bro. Profit Factor. Profit Factor. Profit Factor. Oh no. Profit Factor's not here. He's not here right now, guys. Profit Factor is not here. Oh, he's here. Okay, sorry. I didn't realize that. Profit Factor, I'm gonna have to. Well, congrats, by the way, once again. We got a winner here, guys, by the way. Profit Factor is the winner here for today. And yeah, Profit Factor is here. You are the winner, man. Congrats, brother. Holy mochaccino. Profit Factor, once again, congrats. You are the champion here today. Profit cheating. Well, we have a winner here, guys. Profit Factor in the house. Is the champion. Congrats, man. One second, guys. It's rigged. Yeah, this is in celebration, obviously. Yeah, we will do another one. We will do another one tomorrow, guys, in the morning. I will be live. Of course, the market closes a little early, right? So, but we will go ahead and do another giveaway tomorrow. We'll do another one tomorrow. So hopefully, hope to see you guys tomorrow morning as well. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And that again is in celebration of our 10K sub. We did it tonight. We'll do another one tomorrow in celebration of a New York session, the cash, the biggest and the largest, in the morning right before the cash opens at about 9:30. I will be live. Let's go for another one. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow, bro. We'll do it tomorrow. But anyways, guys, I think that was it. That was it, guys. We had a lot of fun. We had some really good trades here today. Not a big, huge profits by any means, but I mean, it was a pretty good trade that I got into. We kind of held, stuck to our game plan, and we got into a lot of good winning trades. That's good. And we also got our subs to over 10,000 today, which is incredible. And obviously, without you guys, this would have never been possible. I thank you guys once again for all of you, one by one, for your support to the channel. And we got over 2,000 members on our Discord as well now. So incredible grind. And I thank you guys once again for being here. Yeah, I hope to have a strong day tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be an important day, so hopefully you make some good trades tomorrow with big PNL, great trades. See what happens. For now though, we'll call it here, and thank you guys once again. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. Everybody have a great rest of the night. I thank you guys once again for being here today, and thank you to everybody for your true support to the channel. Have a great rest of the night, guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning before the cash open during the pre-market. So until then, everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you once again. God bless everybody. Love you guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Take care and peace.